Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, this is my new YouTube channel we have started, and we are planning to make many videos based on the topic online business, right? So I will not be introducing a lot today about our channel. We'll be introducing that for you all in the coming days. So today, to start, we'll be explaining you and giving you a simple idea on what is this Ecwid and how you can start your own business using Ecwid. So guys, you might know Shopify, which is one of the most famous e-commerce selling platform. But the difference between this Shopify and Ecwid is free, right? You can sell even in the free plan, but in Shopify you cannot sell in the free plan. And also one of the special and the most popular thing about this Ecwid is it is very user friendly, right? So you can see some other differences, like they don't have much themes like Shopify, but no need to worry guys, because many people they are using Ecwid and they are gonna use Ecwid for more businesses, and they have seen successful results. So today I'll be explaining you the inner the outer, right, the inner dashboard and the outer dashboard clearly, right, in a small video clip, and I'll be explaining you some of the categories in this. So we'll start. Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Make sure to comment, like and subscribe our channel. So guys, you might heard about Ecwid, but to start I'll be telling you what is this Ecwid. So Ecwid is if we go to Chrome, right, and if we type about Ecwid, right, you can see Ecwid is an e-commerce platform that enables individuals and businesses to add a fully featured store to an existing website while preserving its design, right? So guys, the important thing is in Shopify, right, in Shopify they have limited, even though you pay them like $39, you pay them, or $24, and they have many plans, right? And here Ecwid also they have some plans, but the same thing only happens here. But the important thing is you can add your store, right? Think you have a store in Ecwid, right? You can add that to a WordPress website and Wix and many other sites, and even you can generate a buy now button with the product, and you can share in Facebook, Instagram, and you can accept payments, right? So see how this is a very opportunity where you can start, right, with no money, right? So they are a privately held company founded in 2009, and Ecwid is headquartered in Encinitas, Canada, and has offices in Russia, right? So no need to think about other stuffs. So you can see this is a very good opportunity where you can build your website in minutes, right? Okay guys, let's go and search some details about Shopify, right? Here you can see guys, Shopify is a complete commerce platform, right? Lets you start, grow, and manage a business, right? And also it is a subscription based software which allows you to set up an online store. And other stuff about Shopify will be talking you in the future, right? And also it is also a Canadian multinational e-commerce company headquartered in Ottawa, Ontario, right? And also it is a name of its proprietary e-commerce platform. So guys, no need to think about those stuffs because these are all already leading companies, so there's no second word of start selling, right? Okay, now I think you have a better idea about Ecwid, right? Simply, Ecwid is a right subscription based software, same like Shopify, right? Where you can make your own website in minutes, right? So just think about WordPress, right? In WordPress, what happens is you have themes, right? So before thinking about themes, you should have a domain, right? You should have hosting, and you should have or at least one premium theme, right? So we will be discussing about that, how you can get free themes and how you can modify them, how to make a website in WordPress, and many more. So make sure to subscribe our channel and also comment your ideas, right? So then only we can improve our tutorials, right? So what we are going to do is we are going to make a tutorial and how you can start selling on Ecwid for free, right? We are starting like this from the basic, right? From the basic, how to make a store in Ecwid, until how you can get sales for free. So this is the important thing. Many people, they make stores and they do everything, but they are not consistent, and they don't have patience, right? So that they leave everything and they go away. So guys, continuously follow our channel, right? So this is a very good opportunity, because many of the YouTubers, they don't tell you the correct method, or they will hide everything and they will be telling you some not unimportant things, right? So first will be go to pricing. So here guys, you can see in Ecwid you have 1, 2, 3, 4 plans, right? And the first one is free plan forever, right? Easy online store to launch your business for free, right? So what is happening here is, guys, in the venture plan, right? You have venture plan, you have business plan, and you have an unlimited plan. In venture plan, guys, everything in free plus, and between mobile point of sale, store management app, e-goods, right? And the most important thing is, guys, more than Shopify, in Ecwid you can sell subscription based products and e-goods, which is more convenient, and discount coupons. You can apply discount coupons and automated text collections, Google Shopping, access to app market, inventory management, advanced SEO tools, social media tools, and live chat support. So in the free plan, guys, you will be getting everything, and some of them are limited, right? For an example, like you cannot sell e-goods, right, in the free plan, and also like live chat support is limited, but you can still get support, right? So that's it, guys, because this 12.50 is for if you pay annually, right? If you pay month, it's only 15, right? And if you go to Shopify, right, if you go to Shopify, here you can see the plans, right? They charge $29, right? They charge $29, so it's a huge amount. Like here the free basic plan is 29, here only 50, and the business plan is 35, here only it's 79, right? So if you are a beginner, we suggest and we recommend Ecwid is one of the best one to start with, more than Shopify, because for Shopify many people thinks like this, like Ecwid, Shopify is already optimized and SEO, that means search engine optimized, but Ecwid is not like that, guys, because many of our colleagues, they have started their free business in Ecwid, and they have successful results. So we'll be showing you those stuffs too. So today we'll be just discussing you about these two platforms, so don't feel bored, guys, right? You can start selling. So here, and in the business plan, you can pay $35, right? And if you pay annually, just $29.